find this picture in your Marvelous Monday packet. The W says W. The W says W. The W says W. Every letter makes a sound. The W says W. Look at uppercase W and lowercase w. Do they look the same? They do. They look the same. What is different about uppercase W and lowercase w? There is something different. Yes, lowercase w is smaller than uppercase w. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to track that uppercase W. I want you to take your pencil, make sure you're holding that the right way. Pointer and thumbkin go side by side. Rest on tall man, and two lazy men go along for the ride. And you're going to just start at the top. You're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Good. And let's track that lowercase w. Same thing. Start at the top, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Awesome. All right, now we're going to do a little bit of coloring on this paper. On our paper, we're going to find some uppercase W's and some lowercase W's. Our directions say color the spaces with an uppercase W blue. So we'll take our blue crayon and we're going to find all the uppercase spaces and we're going to color all those uppercase spaces with our blue crayon. Oh, I'm going to be careful not to color that lowercase w. That's going to be a different color. Right? I'm going to keep coloring all those spaces blue. I'm going to keep coloring all my uppercase W spaces blue. I'm going to give you a couple more directions and then we'll finish our paper. The second part of our directions say color the spaces with a lowercase w, purple. So then we're going to find our purple crayon. And we're going to look for, oh, that's blue. There's my purple crayon. There it is. We're going to find all the lowercase w spaces and we're going to color those with our purple crayon. All right, so you continue to work. Remember, if you get behind, you can always pause me. Oh, look what Mrs. Reagan did. I was talking. It's hard to pay attention and talk at this. It's hard to color and talk at the same time. That's why when we're doing our work at the table, Mrs. Reagan says, don't talk to your neighbor because it's easy to get distracted. I just got distracted. We're going to keep coloring all those lowercase w spaces purple. Color all the spaces with a lowercase w purple. Purple. And then remember all our uppercase spaces, those are going to be filled in with our blue crayon. Good. You go ahead and finish coloring that paper. And when I'm done, I'm going to ask you a question, and you can keep coloring while you listen to my question. Okay? I'm going to do my best. Stay in the lines. I'm going to color in all those uppercase W spaces with my blue crayon. Good. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. When you're done coloring, I want you to count how many uppercase W's on your paper and how many lowercase W's on your paper. And then you can try to write the numeral in the space next to the letter.